This will be a speed test between the Razer Phone 2 versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the XS Max, this one has the 812 Bionic chip and 4 gigs of RAM. Razer Phone 2 has the Snapdragon 845 and a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Now that boot up was really close, you guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both, as you can see. So let's get started with the Messages app. Very close. Camera. Maybe the iPhone on that one. Clock on both. Start the stopwatch on this and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar, about the same. And click on this one, go. Ooh, maybe the iPhone by just a tad. Scroll through this, and let's go to the desktop version of this. Go. A little bit faster on the Razer Phone. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the iPhone. And do the same thing on the Razer Phone 2. This is probably the smoothest scrolling experience on a phone ever. With the Razer's 120Hz display, as you can see. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Play Store and App Store. A little bit faster on the Razer, click on an app. Leave it right there. Amazon. A little bit faster on the Razer, click on this deal of the day. eBay on both. A little bit faster on the Razer Phone 2. Click on this MacBook Air. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Razer Phone 2. Will the iPhone catch up and give this to the Razer? Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone running the game. Leave it right there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Razer. Will the iPhone catch it? Ooh, the Razer is ahead. And the Razer Phone 2 faster on this one. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Which one's faster on this? Oh, and give this to the Razer Phone 2 again. Tap the play button. What is this on the iPhone? Too many pop-ups, man. Get rid of this. No, I don't care about that. Tap the play button. And we'll just leave it here. PUBG. Who will be faster on this? Looks like the iPhone is ahead a little bit here. Will the Razer catch up? Kind of doubt it at this point. And give this to the iPhone. So you can see. A little bit of lag on the Razer on this one. There we go. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Razer's way ahead. And give this win to the Razer Phone 2, as you can see. Snapchat on both. Razer Phone 2 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background so you can see. So let's just see what happens right now with San Andreas. Good to go on both. PUBG, still in RAM on both. This one, ready to play on both. No issues. Angry Birds 2, good to go. We have Mario Run. Ready to play as you can see. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, same place on both. Calculator, OnePlus 6T, Chrome and Safari, same web page. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. Camera, messages. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Do you have yourself a Razer Phone 2 or last year's first Razer phone? This one coming in with beastly specs. Snapdragon 845, a whopping 8 gigs of RAM, a super smooth 120Hz display, and amazing front-firing speakers. Or are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XS or the XS Max or last year's iPhone X or the new iPhone XR? These phones having notches on their displays, no fast charging in the box, and overpriced. The smart HDR on the camera is pretty cool on these phones though. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.